Hey, what's up traders, my name is George and welcome to my channel. This is video number 1, and the whole reason why I decided to start this YouTube channel is to hopefully shed some light what's going on around trading the markets. And I know there's a lot of misconceptions around the markets, and it's definitely got much worse than when I first started trading more than 3 years back now. And people are posting more and more on social media, on Instagram, Twitter, or what they call it, their screenshots of how much profit they're making and this amazing lifestyle they're having on the pictures, like gold watch, a pile of cash, and I don't know, the fancy car, and this amazing house and girl around it. This is all pretty much 99% of this nonsense. And I'm seeing it over and over again as basically what they're trying to market to you their own whatever they're selling, the service or the robots, the trading bots, or we call it, and they're just trying to sell you this rubbish basically. And maybe there are some good ones, but 99% of the time there's rubbish. At least I haven't come across many good educators out of my more than 3 years journey into trading. Yeah, basically there are not many good ones around, and most of them they're trying to sell you their rubbish. And then we're gonna jump into the desktop later, and then I'll show you a few screenshots. And basically, if it's too good to be true, it is most likely it is. And I've seen people, I think recently I've seen it there. This guy just posted, if you put like 1,000, I think it was US dollars into your account, and you're gonna be making like 40,000 within 4 weeks or some stupid. Basically, that is not true. Or at least it might work for that 4 weeks, but if you're gonna take it to the trading for a long-term journey, it won't work, because to turn like 1,000 USD or pounds or whatever you call it into 40,000 within 4 weeks, you have to be taking the huge amount of risk. And yes, you might get lucky for first few weeks or even first few months, but if you're gonna take it for a long term, you were gonna lose all that money. So, and then obviously greed comes in. If you're gonna turn the 1,000, 2,000 dollars into 40,000 within 4 weeks, you're gonna have your greed's gonna take over, and obviously your risk appetite is much gonna be bigger if you're gonna take in that amount of risk, and then you're gonna keep trading until you're gonna lose basically all the money. And welcome to my desktop. I've got 5 screenshots here. I pulled it from the Instagram account. I think two different accounts. So I took these 5 screenshots. I saved the last one for the best. Because I think it's hilarious. Let's start with the first. Okay, let's go to the first one. Okay, earn a minimum profit of 46,000 USD after 7 days of trade with a capital investment of 5 grand. Okay, so you're gonna earn minimum profit. That's like minimum, basically almost guaranteed. 46k, so turning 5 grand into 46 within 7 days. That's great. Okay, so next one is these screenshots. You generally see it. Okay, there's nothing wrong with it if you look at it, but the suspicious thing is all. Okay, this is like a same one, the same trades, because this. Okay. Let me just bring up this. Okay, so these two are the same, and then you got Euro Swiss franc for different trades with a different long, and you got pound Aussie. I mean, there's nothing wrong having you can have 3 winners in a row. There's nothing wrong with it, but it just a bit suspicious. And also the next
Okay, my pen is not doing well. Okay, let's get rid of this. So you got this one, and then you got another one, which is these trades. So okay, this guy is making like all the profits and no loss. Okay, that's another suspicious part. Ouch. That was that. And then you see the pictures of like similar things. You get pile of cash, gold watches next to the laptop, and yeah, the phone, which is the charts, the trading charts. Or it can be a fancy car, or hot girls, or a big like really good house next to the swimming pool, and etc. Yeah, they just I just find this one was pretty funny too, pretty cool to put in here. So I just used that one as an example. And the last one is this. This is the most interesting one, and it's most hilarious one. Okay, so this guy is saying, okay, show profits withdraw after 7 days of trading with us. We don't delay your withdrawing cash, invest with us, and call on this WhatsApp number. Obviously, I can't show that for the data protection and all that rubbish. So, okay, so are you interested in binary forex options and trading, blah blah? Invest with a trusted account manager and earn huge profits in a period of 7 business days. Okay, so it's saying 7 business days. One, so first, get your trading account well managed, 100% with the latest trading software, 85 to 95% accurate. So what he means basically up to 85 to 95% success rate. Okay, I can still believe that you get, you know, the high percentage success rate. I mean, you can go up to even 98%. I'm probably gonna make that separate video how you can do that to go 98% success rate. It's possible, but we're gonna talk about in a different video. So, and the second, which is the funniest part, investment is 100% safe. Right, okay. Investment is 100% safe. This is cracks me up actually when I first said it. I will say it once, that there is no such thing as 100% safe when it comes to the market and trading. I don't care what your trading strategy is, what your investment strategy is, what software you're having, whatever software you're having, it does not matter. Whatever the robot or the trading bot you have, it will not perform 100%. There is no 100% safe when it comes to the markets. Markets are unpredictable and they move to whatever direction, and you can't have 100% safe investments. There is no such thing as this. So this is definitely like a red flag. But if you're new, then I don't know. I never bought into this kind of rubbish when I first started trading in my early days. But I met many people, and some of my friends, yeah, they just, I don't know how, they're just common sense for me. But yeah, some people want to believe in fairy tale, and if you are in a financial difficulty, then it's easy to believe in. Unfortunately, these guys, they try to take advantage of the people who are already in financial trouble, and then obviously who doesn't need money, so they get into this, you know, even if it's like a 1% chance, they still want to try it. And then that's how these market gurus, so to speak, that's why they're making so much money. Okay, so move on to the third. So pay assured, 100% contact me, invest like 200, make 2,000, blah blah blah. You got 4,000, no, 400 to 4,000 1 week. Okay, so let's stop on this one. So turn one. So if you put 1,000, it gives you a 10 grand. There's a missing zero in here, by the way. But okay, let's just ignore that. So put in 1 grand, and you're gonna be turning 10 grand in 1 week. 1 week. That is a spectacular return. So okay, let's go to this one and see. Okay, so let's say 1K. Oops. Okay, I apologize for my drawing. I know it's pretty awful. You know, probably baby's drawing better than me, but okay. Probably you understand it. So 1K into 10K, 7 days. 7 days. Okay, I think he's mentioning 7 business days. Was it that one the case? Okay, 7. Okay, even say 7 working days, whatever that is. So with the markets are closed on weekends, depending on what you're trading. So 7 days to turn 1K into 10K. That is amazing return. So that means you have to put what was it, 150%, and more than 150%. More than 150%. Okay, more than 150% a day profits in 1 day, every day. So the next 7 days, or 7 working trading days, let's say that way. Okay, this is obviously he's not including the losses. So I think he's a market wizard. So to turn 1K into 10K for the 7 days, to do 150% a day for the next 7 days is very difficult to do. So let's put it, one of the best hedge fund managers who trade like millions of billions of amount of money. I think they putting 50% return a year. I mean, up to 50%. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less, but generally it's 50% a year. And this guy wants to put 150% a day. So that is pretty impossible, or close to impossible, but it can be done if you have a good luck. So let's assume that you turn, oh crap, okay, so 1K, so you turn 1K into a 10K. Okay, you got lucky, you know, whatever. Okay, let's say you turned 1K into 10K. So to trade this volume, you most likely a very fresh trader or very new trader, because I would they will take such a huge risk, because I know what's gonna be the end result. Okay, so let's say you turn 10K, 1K into 10K within 7 days. Okay, awesome, that's great. What's gonna happen? Your confidence. Okay. Okay, that's pretty bad. Okay, so you get what I mean. So your confidence is gonna skyrocket. Alright? So you're gonna be like probably telling everyone how much money you made for like 7 days, which is pretty amazing return. When that happens, and it will happen, then you will start risking even more, because obviously your account size is bigger and you're going to be trading even larger, obviously larger accounts, so you're going to be trading even more, and before you know it, you're going to start having losing trades, obviously it will happen. There is no way, doesn't matter who you are, what strategy you have, you will have losing trades. When that's gonna happen, your equity is gonna start going down, and then when you have, let's say, a stream of 4 or 5 losing trades in a row, then you're gonna start most likely doubling down, and then you're gonna go through other losing trades, and then your equity is gonna basically go down until you pretty much kill your accounts to the 0, or even worse, you're gonna go minus whatever that is, 1,000, 2,000, 10,000. Then yeah, that will be the end result. So yes, you can make this amount turn into 1,000 into 10 with that short period of time, but you will not sustain for a long period of time. You might get even a second week lucky and third week lucky, and then make 30 grand, could be, but you won't stop trading because
Let's down with the desktop. And you've seen some of the examples of the people I just showed you on the desktop. I used Instagram. I think it was 2 or 3 people that the posts I showed you, that this nonsense they're posting, that turning this small amount into a huge amount for a very short period of time. So that will be it for now, and I will be uploading videos at least once a week, so make sure you subscribe. And then until that, see you later.